So one of the first ways that you can make money with the metaverse is by buying land. So when it comes to buying land in any metaverse that you choose, and by the way, there's various different metaverses. There's companies like Sandbox and Decentraland. All of these different companies have their own metaverses. And as a beginner, you probably assume that the metaverse is just one place, but there's various different metaverses that are owned by various different companies. But the two main ones is Decentraland and Sandbox. But Decentraland has been around for a little bit longer. Now, when it comes to buying land in any metaverse that you choose, the way that you're going to make money from that is that you can either buy it, hold it, and let the value appreciate over time and then sell it for more money in the future. Or what you can do is that you can buy it, hold it, and then utilize it for a specific event in the future, so that when more and more people start using the metaverse and it becomes more of a normal thing, you're going to be able to benefit from the land that you bought. So when it comes to buying land in the metaverse, it works very similar to buying land in the real world. For example, if I bought land here in the UK, I'm going to be able to hold it and do nothing with it and just let the value of the land appreciate over time. Or what I could do is that I could build houses on that land, or I can build shops. I could do anything with the land once I bought it and I own it, and it works the exact same way as the metaverse. So if we take a look at this article by The Independent, we can see that virtual land within the metaverse sells for a record $2.43 million. And the place where they bought that land is within Decentraland. So this is their homepage right here. So Decentraland, as I've already said, is a metaverse. You're going to be able to buy land here. And this is one of the leading companies that's building up one of the most popular metaverses that's out right now. So if you also want to buy land, hold it and let it appreciate over time, what you're going to do is that you're going to come to Marketplace right here. And then from here, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on parcels and estates right there, view all. So as we can see, there's around 987 pieces of land that you can view right now. So what you're going to do from this point is sort it by cheapest. All right, so we can see the cheapest land at the moment is 5,050 mana. So mana is the currency that you're going to use when it comes to buying land from Decentraland. Every single metaverse has their own currency. So if you wanted to buy land from Decentraland, you're going to have to pay using mana. So what we can do is use this currency exchange website to figure out what the exchange rate is between mana and USD. So if I just type in 50,050 mana, we can see that the current price is $14,999. Essentially $15,000 is what it's going to cost if you want to buy the cheapest land on Decentraland right now. Now, to be very honest with you guys, I'm not paying $15,000 for a piece of virtual land. I'm not doing that. But then again, I might be completely wrong. 3 years down the line, we may come back to check exactly how much this is, and it may be worth $1 million. So I might be wrong. But for now, I'm not investing my money into no virtual land. So when it comes to the cheapest land at the moment, if you want to see exactly what it looks like, what you can do is click into it, and then you can click on jump in right there, and then you can click on continue as a guest. All right, guys, so this is basically what the land looks like. As you can see, there's nothing here right now. But for $15,000, you're basically going to buy this plot of land, and then you're going to be able to put whatever you want on it. As I said, bowling alley, cinema, whatever you want. So the second way that you can make money with the metaverse is by investing into crypto projects that are specifically focused on the metaverse. So as I've already said, Decentraland is one of them. So for example, if I jump onto my Coinbase and click on see all. So as you guys can see, there's so many different tokens that you can invest into: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Dogecoin. All of these different coins you can invest into, but each of these different coins are working on a specific project and do a specific thing. So if you plan on making money with the metaverse, then it will be wise to invest in a token that is working specifically within the metaverse. So as I've already said, Decentraland and Sandbox, those are the two main cryptos that you can invest into. So let me show you Decentraland right here. So this is the Decentraland token, which is what I showed you earlier, which is the mana token. So if you invest money into this specific crypto, if the price rises, you're obviously going to make money, but obviously if the price decreases, you're going to lose money. So if I click on all, we can see that in 2019, obviously the price was low because there was nothing happening with the metaverse. But straight away in September 2021, we can see that it went all the way up to $5.91. But since then, it's gone back down to $2.99. So right now might be a great time for you to invest into Decentraland if you believe in the long-term prospects of the metaverse. And we can see the same thing with Sandbox. For the longest time, the price was low, but as soon as Mark Zuckerberg's video came out and there was a lot of hype around metaverse, we can see that the price went all the way up until $7.43. However, the price is currently at $4.81. Again, if you truly believe in the future of the metaverse, then putting money into the Sandbox cryptocurrency, you're definitely going to be able to make gains over the next 2, 3, 4 years. As the metaverse and the technologies around the metaverse continue to develop over time, there's a high chance that you're also going to be able to make gains with whatever investment you make into any one of these two cryptocurrencies. But there's some other smaller cap crypto coins that you can also invest into. like Wilder World, High Street, Solace Metaverse. These are just some of the coins that have a smaller market cap, but there's still an opportunity to make some decent profit from these smaller cap coins. So the third and final way that you guys can make money with the Metaverse in 2022 is by investing into companies that are focused on developing various different technologies when it comes to the Metaverse. And when I say investing into the companies, I'm not talking about cryptocurrencies no more. I'm specifically talking about investing into the stock market and buying shares into these companies that are working on improving the Metaverse in one way or another. So the first stock that you can buy is Nvidia. So Nvidia mainly produces graphics and video processing chips for high-end computer and AI applications. And this definitely positions Nvidia in a great way when it comes to putting their stamp on the Metaverse. Right now, they're one of the leading companies when it comes to the Metaverse industry, mainly due to their powerful graphic chips and the fact that the foundations of the Metaverse is 3D based. Every single company that is developing their own Metaverse is going to need strong graphic chips to make it happen. And this is where Nvidia comes in. So if you was to buy shares in Nvidia right now, there's a high chance over the next year, 2 years, your investment is going to increase. So the next company that you can invest into is Unity Softwares. So this company is mainly known for gaming, but for the most part, Unity is the world's leading platform for creating and operating interactive, real-time 3D content. So again, it goes without saying as to why this company is a great company to invest into, because they're investing a lot of money into their company to make sure that they're positioned in the best way. And the final stock that you guys should obviously be looking at is Meta Platforms. So if you're not aware, Facebook recently changed their name to Meta Platforms. So when you invest into the Meta Platform stock, essentially you're buying shares in Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, as well as all of the developments that they're working on when it comes to the Metaverse. And Meta recently announced that they're going to be investing $10 billion into developing the Metaverse. So you should definitely have some sort of money invested into this company if you believe in the Metaverse long term. And this is for a number of different reasons. Obviously because of their developments within the Metaverse, but also due to the fact that they've got billions of users on their social media platforms, which means it's going to be easy for them to redirect their users from all of their different social media platforms to the Metaverse down the road. And in addition to that, Meta Platform also owns Oculus, which is the company that produces the virtual reality headsets that will be facilitating entry into the Metaverse. And over time, we're going to see more people using these VR headsets the more the Metaverse continues to develop. The platform that I use to buy my stocks is Trading212. I also use Free Trade as well. Trading212 is no longer accepting new users. So if you want to sign up to Free Trade, you can use the link down below, because if you use that link and top up around £1, I believe, you're going to be able to get a free stock. So sign up using that link down below, get your free stock. And when you do get your free stock, come back here, let me know what stock you got, because I'm going to get a stock, you're going to get a stock. And when you come back here, let me know what stock you got. I'll reply to you and let you know what stock I got. Now, obviously, everything I said in this video isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here giving my advice on how you guys can make money with the Metaverse in 2022, if that's what you want to do. I tried to make the video very simplistic. There's a lot of videos out right now showing you how to make money in the Metaverse, but I believe a lot of them are a little bit too complicated. So I tried to come here to give you guys a basic understanding of what you guys need to know when it comes to making money with the Metaverse. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below for more money making content, where I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money online using various different ways. And if you want to watch a video that I made recently where I broke down 3 different ways that you guys can make money from your phone in 2022, then click the link right there. If you enjoyed this video, then you're definitely going to enjoy that one. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.